Hey guys, what's up? I thought I'd do a quick walk around of my new truck. It's a 1999 Chevy Silverado 1500 step side. Pretty nice condition. Show you the interior real quick. The interior is in nice condition. Fucking key. Shut up. There we go. Yeah, and it came with all new brake pad and rotors all around, so that's nice. It has dual exhaust on the back. I plan on getting new ones put on after this winter goes by. It has a 5.3 liter Vortec V8. Comes with a aftermarket K&N cold air intake system. I'll pop the hood for you. There we go. Here's our cold air intake system right here. As you can see, it's in really nice condition. So yeah, I'll fire it up for you guys. Hear what it sounds like with the dual exhaust on it. I'm getting a new radio put in it too, so that'll be nice. The tread on the tires are still good. The bed. The reason I have my tailgate off is the latch is broken, so I just gotta repair that, which will be easy. But other than that, it's a really nice truck. So yeah, thanks for watching.